Zeke, are you playing with your toys? You like your toys? This is your bouncy seat. You looking at Pooh Bear? Are you playing? Yeah? Where's Mama? Where's your Mama? Did you just hit Pooh Bear and he made a noise? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Can you do it again? Can you do it again? See if you can make a noise. Here you go. Get him. Get him. Oh, you did it! Yay, Zeke! You got him. Good job, buddy. Yeah. You like those toys? Huh? Yeah. Hey, Zeke. Hey, Zeke. This is hard to do. Hey, Zeke, where's Mama? Where's Mama? Where's Mama? Do your mommy's voice. Is Mommy talking to you? Can you smile? Show me your smile. Show me your smile. That's a boy. Show me that smile. Where's your Mama? Can you show me your smile? Huh? Can you show me your smile? Daddy came home early. Yeah, that's a nice thing to smile about. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, uh-huh. Yeah. You gonna get your toys? Get them. Get them. Get them. All right. Here we go. Get them. Get them. Are you having fun? You smiling? No? You looking serious?